Okay. Hi.
So, hi, we just arrived at Mark Toberdorf and we just finished doing our sound check and mode on. And we were
What's your
so,
name?
hi, and we were so fascinated by the
How
sound
about
check.
this girl beside you, huh? Hi.
Oops. There's camera. Oh, what?
How is your career in show business?
I'm very flattered that you asked out because I don't have career.
Let's take a look at your fans.
Look at my friends. There's Kuya Alvin, there's Crash with his freckles, and there's Chico with his two views. And
So,
do you know this is Hey MTV, welcome to our crib. This is our
you're a baby,
yes,
so you have a crib, huh?
this is our dining area. This is our crib. And this is the crib. If you look to the window, there is a burn. If you look at me, mom, shining like the sun. You know why it's like this? Because a sun is a star. So
So it dances.
yeah, and look at her, look at her. So there we're now preparing for our concert here in Octoberdorf, and we're like so excited, and everybody's just chilling out. And I'm very excited to see you in person. What do you look like?
Okay.